Hello everyone. So I was basically doing something with Emacs today, and I mean, on my channel I talk about learning new thing, or basically I show off sometimes that look what I just learned, and I quite like doing it because I think when you make videos, it is better in a way, or not really always better, but sometimes when you make a video to explain something, it really helps. Of course, you can search online. For example, if I'm using Emacs or org mode, I can always search online and I can try to find the information. But sometimes it is not really always clear in the documentation, or maybe by reading some online forums. And I think that is where these videos from YouTubers, I'm not really a YouTuber, but people who make videos fill in this gap where they explain this in a different manner, or maybe in a simpler manner. So today let me show you a very simple thing, which I'm sure if you have been using Emacs, I'm sure you must have thought about it, or maybe you have been ignoring it. I think this happens quite a lot. Like, for example, we all use computers, and we have been using computers for many years, and there are certain things that we assume, or we actually start not we start assuming that, okay, that is how it is, and we never really think about improving it. And it is just a small thing that I want to show you today. So when you are working with Emacs, and if you press Ctrl X, Ctrl F, it will take you to basically the current directory where you are. You can see Emacs showing you all the contents of that particular directory, like in the diode mode, right? So right now I'm looking at this directory, which is my Emacs home, and it is fine because I can see these files, and I can, it is good. I actually prefer this view because not only I can see the files, but I can press S to, sort it based on the modification date of these files. And this is definitely useful because I can not only see the file name, but I can also see the permissions. I can also see the modification date. But sometimes you don't really care about all other details. You just want simple listing. Or maybe you are working with multiple windows and you want like a view where you just want to see the files, and that is it. Not really anything else. And I initially thought maybe there is a simple way of doing it, and I know how to do it, but I never really have this set as default, which I guess you can, but I don't really care. But if I have to, let us say, work in a multi-window setup, and I really need to just see the file listing, I can simply press this left bracket, not square bracket, but curve bracket. I don't really know what you call. I know about the curve. I think it's braces, whatever. Basically, let me just open it, like this one, this bracket, right? This one. So this is like braces. I need to learn about. My computer science teacher would be not proud of me. Basically, I don't know what you call them. Braces. I know curly braces and square brackets. Okay, let us just do bracket versus braces, and parentheses. Parentheses are smooth. Okay, braces are curly. Okay, all right, I got it. So we are talking about parentheses. Okay, so you have to use left parentheses, and not really a bracket, not really a braces, not really curly braces. So you have to use parentheses. So when you press parentheses, left parentheses, you can have this mode, basically a simple listing. I don't know what you call it. Oh, so it says diode hide details. Do we have a command for this? I'm sure there is a command for it. Hide. Oh yeah, there is actually a command. Yep. So diode hide details mode using left parentheses. And yeah, that is it. A simple short video, but I'm sure you want to use it. Or if you start using Emacs or org mode, maybe you will reach a point when you may want to, just have a simple listing of all the files. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about today in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh no, I'm looking at my computer screen because that is where my camera used to be. Now I'm sitting down today for a change and my camera is here. All right, bye bye.